Using a PDF on Windows, open the JPEG file you want to convert. Click the print icon. Doing so opens the print window. Click the printer drop-down box. Click Microsoft Print to PDF. Click Print. This is at the bottom of the window. A pop-up window will appear. In the name text field, type in the name you want to use for your converted document. Select a save location. Click Save. It's at the bottom of the window. Doing so saves a PDF version of your JPEG file in your selected folder. Go to the PDF's location. Right-click the PDF. Select Open With. Click Word. Click OK when prompted. Word will begin attempting to convert the PDF into a Word document. Review your Word document. You can also use other online services to convert a few different file types, JPEG included, into a Word document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.